Once upon a time, in a magical land far, far away, there was a kingdom called the Dairy Kingdom. This kingdom was not like any other kingdom, for it was the home to the most wonderful yogurt in the world. In the heart of the kingdom, nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, stood the great yogurt palace. The palace was a sight to behold, with its golden towers and creamy walls. Every morning, the palace would open its doors, and the sweet aroma of yogurt would fill the air. The people of the Dairy Kingdom would gather eager to taste the day's fresh batch. One day, a little girl named Mia, who lived in a humble cottage near the palace, decided to visit the great yogurt palace. She had heard stories about its delicious yogurt and wanted to taste it for herself. As Mia approached the palace, she was greeted by the kind yogurt king and queen. They welcomed her warmly, inviting her to taste their special yogurt. Mia eagerly accepted, taking a spoonful of the creamy goodness. The yogurt was more delicious than she could have ever imagined. It was filled with the sweet taste of fresh fruit and the tangy taste of milk. Mia couldn't believe how magical the yogurt was. The yogurt king and queen, noticing Mia's joy, shared with her the secret to their delicious yogurt. They told her that the key was the love and care they put into every batch. Mia thanked them and returned home, her heart filled with happiness. She decided that night, she would make her own yogurt, filled with love and care, just like the yogurt from the great yogurt palace. The next morning, Mia woke up early and made her first batch of yogurt. She carefully followed the steps she had learned, pouring in love and care with each ingredient. When she tasted her yogurt, she was amazed. It was just as delicious as the yogurt from the palace. Mia couldn't wait to share her yogurt with her friends and family. From that day forward, Mia became known as the yogurt queen of her own little kingdom. And every morning, the aroma of her delicious yogurt filled the air, bringing joy to everyone who tasted it. The end.